Since the introduction of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series, a wave of discontent has swept through the community of new owners, primarily focused on the vivid display mode. In contrast to previous models, users have noticed a diminished vibrancy in colors when utilizing this display mode. Traditionally, this feature has been a hallmark of Samsung phones, allowing users to enhance colors for a more eye-catching effect, albeit at the expense of a realistic and natural look. However, the display qualms don't end there for S24 users. Drawing parallels to the Galaxy S20 series, released a few years ago, a familiar issue has resurfaced: the notorious green line display problem. Initially observed in the S20 series, this problem extended its reach to other Samsung models, as well as devices from OnePlus and Realme. Astonishingly, 4 years after the S20 series launch, a similar issue seems to have emerged with Samsung's latest flagship, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Reports from S24 Ultra users indicate the appearance of a thin green line running vertically down their phone's display. In some instances, this bug is accompanied by a thin white line running horizontally across the screen. Numerous complaints have flooded the Samsung community forum, where users voiced their frustrations about these visual anomalies appearing on their Galaxy S24 Ultra screens, even during activities such as watching YouTube videos or on the boot screen. Despite attempts to resolve the issue through reboots and factory resets, the problem persists, mirroring similar cases with other Samsung models. Seeking assistance for a potential manufacturing defect, users reached out to Samsung Care. However, Samsung's response has not been reassuring. Instead of exchanging the device for a new one, Samsung insisted on users returning the unit and repurchasing it, causing them to forfeit any pre-ordered discounts. Adding to the frustration, Samsung directed affected users to file complaints with carriers. In cases where the phone was purchased directly from Samsung but carrier locked, the responsibility becomes a point of contention between the manufacturer and the carrier. Samsung argued that since the phone is financed through the carrier, it falls under the carrier's responsibility. However, if the manufacturer's limited warranty covers the issue, then it is within Samsung's purview. This predicament has left users struggling to obtain replacements or refunds from carrier stores, raising concerns about the overall quality of Samsung devices and the responsiveness of their customer service. While it remains uncertain whether this issue will affect a larger number of Galaxy S24 or Ultra units, or if it is limited to a small batch with manufacturing defects, the reputation of Samsung devices for encountering this specific problem has fans on edge. It's crucial to acknowledge that reported cases may not represent widespread production issues. Nevertheless, Samsung's lack of an official statement on the matter has left many users anxious about the device's overall quality and the responsiveness of their customer service. The green stripe issue might find resolution through a future software update, but the absence of an immediate response from Samsung is worrisome for early adopters of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. As the situation unfolds, it becomes imperative for Samsung to address these concerns transparently and promptly. They should thoroughly investigate the cause of the green stripe, offer timely solutions to affected users, and provide clear communication regarding potential software fixes or hardware replacements. This will be essential in maintaining consumer confidence in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Currently, the issue seems to be limited to certain units of the S24 Ultra sold by US carriers. If you've purchased your phone directly from Samsung, likely you won't have to worry about this problem. If you've already bought a new S24 device, are you also experiencing the same issue? Share your experiences in the comments section below, and stay tuned for more updates on our channel. See you all in the next one. Peace out.